I got the melon Mountain Dew. It tastes like watermelon bubble gum. Hey y'all, Bear here. Look here, it's Tuesday. It's time for camp cooking. Wow, the sun is dropping right in my face. I hope y'all can see. So look here, this week is like, it's all about a budget, doing things on the cheap, but having a great meal in the process. And so we're gonna cook it on my Ozark Trail mess kit, my stainless mess kit. You can buy these at good old Walmart, Kmart, any budget big box store. And we're gonna cook it on the Peak One, the Coleman Peak One stove and the Sterno stove. So look here, like I just cleaned out the fridge and we're gonna come up with an awesome meal on a budget for camp. We're not gonna have to go out and spend money because I had this stuff in the fridge at home, left over from meals from the week. So what we've got going on here is I got myself some deluxe macaroni and cheese to start things off as a base. And then out of the fridge, I found some mini peppers, some little smokies, mushrooms, garlic, some shallot. And I brought some salt, pepper, oregano, some parsley, some smoked paprika, and a little bit of olive oil. Well, let's get it all cooking up. I'm daggone hungry and we don't have much sunlight. So like, first things first, we need to get the water boiling. So got my little stainless pot, and we're gonna need to salt the pasta water. Time to season your pasta is when you cook it. All right. And honestly, this was like the most expensive part of this meal. But you could just buy some elbow noodles, and at the Dollar Tree, you can get the Velveeta cheese sauce for $1 a pack. Why don't y'all come over here? Let's light ourselves a Sterno. And my Uco, my titanium spork, that's a Walmart find too. That's just one of my favorite eating tools. We need our little stainless fry pan. And you see, that's what I like about that one. That handle, it doesn't flop my pan over like those cheap aluminum ones does. Woo, a little olive oil. Water's boiling. It's okay, I put the pasta in. These microwave noodles, they're only going to need to boil for like 3 minutes. So you can do that with an alcohol stove. I need a timer. We'll just let the camera run, 7 minutes. So at 10 minutes, our pasta's ready. So we'll just give our shallots a quick run through here. We're not messing around. We got the camp late. We're trying to beat the sunset. And we're hungry. You know, I get lots of comments on how I'm dressed and the time of year and stuff in my videos. So, get those guys going. Get down on the pan, shallot. Get down on the pan. Get yourself some good contact. Oops, missed one. A little salt. Give the pasta a quick stir. Do one good big red pepper. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. You know, where I live at, the weather's so crazy this time of year. About a week ago, we had an ice storm threatening us. It was down in the 20s. And today it's up in the 60s and I'm wearing shorts. Alright, got ourselves some red pepper going. Get a quick slice and dice on the mushrooms. I wasn't originally planning on putting mushrooms in this, but I had some extra ones in my refrigerator. Mushrooms in. Add another layer of salt. I didn't put it in heavy the first time, just a little sprinkle to get things started. Now some pepper, and not much, but just a little bit of oregano. That's just going to be a little sneaky thing in the background that's going to add a really nice note. Slightly chunky dice on my garlic. And you should experiment with different ways to cut your garlic and how it comes out in your dish. Your cut on your garlic changes how it acts in the dish. All right, little Smokies. Had a few left from my Super Bowl party. We had a big old one this year. That's right. We had a COVID party of 2, my wife and I. And what I want to do, I want to take these little Smokies and I'm going to give them a little dice, kind of into some chunks, so I can get bites and expose some of those innards and get some of that fat and flavor out into my dish. We need to let our cheese sauce start getting happy with our noodles. Maybe we'll give them just a touch of pepper, a little hit of the oregano, mix that in. All right, now we could sit here and do this, it'll get it there over the sterno, but I want to ramp up this cooking process. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that guy out of the way. I'm gonna bring my little Coleman camp stove into the picture here. We'll cut him down. I'm gonna hit this guy with a little smoked paprika. You use whatever seasoning you want. It's your Smoky Mac. That's right, that's what we're gonna call this, Smoky Mac. I'm using smoked paprika, smoked little smoky sausages. Let's get our mac in there. Now I just brought out my old standard blue bowl. My set's got a bowl that you could put this in, or a plate. But I know y'all have seen my blue bowl a lot, so to give you an idea how much food I just made. Let's give her a nice hit of parsley. How about a little hit of paprika right up there on top? A little smoked paprika across the top. Makes a nice garnish, doesn't it? See how nice the paprika looks on there? Makes a nice garnish, adds a little something to it, a little flavor. And let's give it a try and see what I made. Leftovers from the fridge. Now, I'll tell you what, y'all, this meal didn't even take that long. You know, I let the camera run the whole time, and I did this in 20 minutes. From the time I started talking to you to the time I got done and walked it over here, because our sunlight's getting funky. Give me that guy right there, that noodle right there. Come here. Come here. Come here, Pepper. You see that? You want a bite? I can share with you. I got enough. Oh, heck yeah, y'all. Wow. That's way more than macaroni and cheese. That's awesomeness. I did it with leftovers. I did it in my cheap Ozark set. You don't have to spend a lot of money, and you can't get that in a Mountain House bag. We'll see you on the trail.